Hey guys, Alicia here. I just kind of wanted to have a conversation and touch base today. Just a little bit about myself and kind of a little bit about what I'm doing. So I promote this 2-hour program, the Legacy Builder program. You guys have probably heard it time and time again, that I'm making money from home, averaging about $900 a day. Okay, I just want to start by saying that this is not a get rich quick type of thing. This is you're building a business and building your own empire. Okay, so it does take time. It is not just going to come right overnight, but it will come. You need to be coachable, consistent, and committed. That is what I talk about. The reason I started this program, just a little bit about me, is I used to be a special education teacher making basically ends meet, trying to pay the bills, when all of a sudden my second child was born with a heart defect and we had to figure out a better way of life. My second child required different care when we came home, and I knew that I wanted to be the one to provide the care. I wanted to be the one to be present. I didn't want to miss any of these moments with my kids or with my family at all. So we made the switch, and I am super skeptical about everything, you guys. We made this switch for me to be able to do digital marketing, and it is changing our life. And I'm not just saying that because it's like, hey, listen to me so that way we can build a better empire. No, I'm saying it because it is changed my life. I'm not worried about having to constantly see the bills come in for my children's health and worrying about where our next paycheck is coming from. Okay, digital marketing is making that change for my family, and I would love to help others learn how to make that change too. Okay, so if you're interested and you're ready, comment ready below and let's talk.